Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a locked X account because of age. This usually happens when X thinks your account does not meet the minimum age requirement or when your date of birth was added or changed recently. First, don't panic. Age lock are common and many accounts can be unlocked. When your account is locked, you will see a message saying your account is temporarily locked due to the age. First, log into your X account. When the lock message appears, tap start or continue. Now X will ask you to confirm your age. If you're 18 years old or older, you may be asked to update a government ID such as a passport or driving license. Take a clear photo of the ID and upload it as instructed. Make sure your birth of date is available or visible. You can choose to remove your date of birth instead of submitting an ID. If you select this option, your account may be unlocked, but your date of birth will be deleted. Do not create a new account while waiting. This can cause permanent suspension. If you don't see an appeal option, go to the browser and go to the X Help Center and submit an age lock appeal. Explain that your account was locked due to the age and that you meet the age requirement. Once your account is unlocked, avoid changing your date of birth again, and this can trigger another lock. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.